मित्रांनो, एक गोष्ट लक्षात ठेवा, मी साधा आहे, बावळट नाही.
फर्स्ट टाइम हम फाउंडर्स मीटअप क्लब अटेंड कर रहे हैं.
Like 6 months before, like December 2025, I was like, before this year ends, I want to do something cool.
It's my 5th role I've had.
It's good, huh?
Quitting was never an option for me.
हेलो गाइस,
वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल. आज हम कहाँ पे हैं पता है?
आज हम आए हैं 411 क्लब में, जो है फाउंडर्स क्लब, जहाँ हम मिलेंगे बड़े बड़े फाउंडर्स को, को फाउंडर्स को और मार्केटिंग हेड को.
यस, उनके बारे में, उनके बिजनेस माइंडसेट क्या होती है, कैसे वो लोग बिजनेस चलाते हैं, कैसे रन करते हैं, कुछ स्ट्रैटेजी अगर हमें आज मिल जाए तो हम उसके बारे में उनसे बात. पूरा वीडियो देखो एंड उसके बाद आपको पता चलेगा बिजनेस कैसे चलानी है सीक्रेटली.
वीडियो एंड तक ज़रूर देखना
या
और प्लीज़ डू लाइक, शेयर, कमेंट एंड सब्सक्राइब.
Quite some time, I was really bored. I was not able to meet like business owners or founders myself. And I used to just hang out in my 5-10 people circle. And then it just felt like all of us decided, me and Devanik, that okay, you call more 10 people, I'll call more 10 people, and let's just like come together for a dinner. And I think that just idea kept on increasing. Today we see like 100 of these founders exercising, running, doing drills, coming together.
So when did you guys actually start this?
It's just like 6 months before, like December 2025. I was like, before this year ends, I want to do something cool. So that's how it happened. And then we just kept doing every month. Thank you so much, Bert, to Rolls-Mania team. I think they are feeding all these hungry, calorie-burning founders.
Good about having that discipline and having that goal towards what we want to do, but balancing towards your personal health. So body is only one, so like you won't get it again. So whatever you want to do for a good time, you first have to focus on your body to, like you have to at least give a couple of hours to work on it in your day, and probably nutrition is also one of the most important.
Thank you so much, all of you. A big round of applause before we get into this.
Any advice which you would like to give anybody else who's entering the same industry which you are working under?
Be ready to do hard and smart work would be my advice. Like hard work obviously because you're new to the industry, and smart work because otherwise you won't sustain.
Hi, I'm Mayuresh Nanikar, founder of The Clean Sheet.
So what is your brand all about?
So Clean Sheet is basically, we are into healthy snacking category. So we are not competing with normal protein bars. So we are just a good to go and a healthy option for your regular chocolates. So we are available in 3 sizes. So 50 grams, 30 grams and 5 grams. And about 10 grams of protein comes from the whey protein. So this formulation and everything is in-house.
This is my very first book, What, How Much and How to Read. I would love for you guys to read it. It's in this book here. So the templates are where you can, if you want to know, like, how can I eat healthy? Then you have templates for that. If you want to, say, lose some weight, then you have templates for that. If you want to manage your cholesterol, your diabetes, you have templates for that. And there's also a meal prep guide. I'm a big believer of the refrigerator being your best friend. So use this and let me know how you like the book.
नए कंटेंट क्रिएटर्स आ रहे हैं, उनको आप क्या मैसेज देना चाहते हैं?
Just be consistent.
स्टार्ट करनी चाहिए.
I think don't be scared to face the camera. Don't be scared to shoot reels in public. People will talk. लोग तो कुछ ना कुछ तो बोलेंगे ही. But be original, be authentic, be consistent, and keep doing what you're doing. Don't go behind numbers. Your content should make you happy first, so that it'll be relatable.
लॉकडाउन में आप
I think I forced my mom and dad to be a part of my reels, and that that took it to the next level because दोस्तों के साथ रील्स तो बहुत लोग बनाते हैं, बट मम्मी पापा के साथ जो रील्स मैं बनाता हूँ सो इट बिकम्स रिलेटेबल टू ऑल द एज ग्रुप्स. सो मेरे जो जूनियर्स हैं उस एज ग्रुप से लेके मम्मी पापा के एज ग्रुप तक सब लोगों को वो रिलेटेबल लगता है. तो उनका पर्सपेक्टिव एंड मेरा पर्सपेक्टिव इट जस्ट सो इसलिए ऑडियन्स ज़्यादा बड़ा मिलता है. सो आई थिंक दैट चेंज्ड अ लॉट.
मित्रांनो, एक गोष्ट लक्षात ठेवा, मी साधा आहे, बावळट नाही. घरच्यांना वाटतो, पण तुम्ही वाटून घेऊ नका तसं.
So what's your business model?
Actually aiming both, honestly. With our own monk fruit sweetener brand, we're also looking to tie up with some potential B2B people who actually are into this health space and clean label space. But at the same time, through our products, we are trying to reach out to the audience who can then basically be our customers for our sweetener as well. So it's both actually, B2C and B2C.
So what is difficult, B2B or B2C?
I would say both have their own challenges. None is difficult or easy, but I think it's a good balance. I think to keep your foot in both kind of segments.
Amarin's paneer roll is fabulous, especially after doing the circuit. I love this.
Rolls Mania, it was a good one. Yeah, I had it. Yes.
So, till now, how has your journey been and what is your business all about?
Okay, so basically I am catering to startups and I do bookkeeping and compliances. It has been 10 years now and the company name is FinMojo. We are catering to influencers, very big influencers of the country. We are also catering to the startups where they are dealing in the IT sector, hospitality and hospitals, and apart from that the e-commerce businesses. So this is all we do.
It's my 5th role I've had, so definitely it's amazing. मैंने 4 खाए. तूने कितने खाए?
मैं 2 खाया, अभी और एक जाऊँगा क्रिकेट के बाद खाने.
How is the taste of the roll?
It's really nice. I love the paneer. It's just perfectly spicy and I love the onions that are shining through. Very nice. Love this.
So you might have had so many difficulties. So did you ever think of quitting?
Very complex question. Quitting was never an option for me. Self-made option actually, self-made choice. I don't like the word quitting. We can call it transitioning, we can call it choosing better, we can call it choosing different. Quitting was never an option. I never gave myself the choice to quit. So yeah, I mean, there were a lot of challenges. I had an ACL injury, came back from it, back into the sport. Back in the day, our infrastructure wasn't too great. So, trained on whatever surfaces were available to us. I mean, this is a golden space like you can see behind me. We never had stuff like this 10, 15 years ago. I mean, you all were there, witness, you know it. It is the love, the desire, the passion always that has kept me going. And I read this really lovely quote which said that your lack of discipline is an insult to those who look up to you. And I know that there's possibly one person who, looks up to my journey, to my challenge, to my choices. And should I choose to quit, I'm possibly insulting all those people who have believed in me. So, quitting.
Thank you so much.
Please do like, share, comment and subscribe. आज का इवेंट कैसा लगा?
Amazing. Met so many people and
मुझे तो बहुत मज़ा आया.
मुझे भी बहुत मज़ा आया.
चलो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. टाटा, बाय बाय.
bye bye.